that?
I don't know. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, my name is Rosjashenesse and welcome back to my channel. I have with me today my son.
Hello.
His name is Zamir. We're gonna make a foot detox, a recipe we saw on Pinterest. So he's gonna be my assistant. And I'm gonna tell you really quickly what the ingredients are. You have 2 cups of baking soda.
Yes.
1 cup of, you know what this is?
Yeah, sea salt.
Epson salt.
Epson salt.
And then 1 cup of
Sea salt.
sea salt. And then we have some drops of essential oil.
And then you're gonna put it in a cup?
And we're gonna put it into this jar. We're gonna put it, I'm gonna have you dump it all in here though. So that way I can mix it together. And I'm using these chopsticks to mix it together because the essential oil, I just don't want the smell to ruin anything. So, okay, so let's get started. Here is the baking soda, and I'm gonna have you just dump. Just be careful when you dump these inside here because you wanna make sure you get it all in the bowl and really not on the table.
Okay.
Okay, so you can start with the Epsom salt. Take your time. You're gonna get it all in there. I see a little bit more. You don't want to get all the little crumbs. Okay. And then here is
the sea salt.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then we're gonna do the essential oils.
Yeah.
We're gonna do lavender essential oil, so you can put some drops of that in there.
Okay, just how much?
I'll tell you when. Spread it around. Okay. So that's it, several. So that's our several drops of essential oil.
Okay, now mix time.
Yes, let's see if this works.
Please. Why did it be like this?
I had to break up some of the clumps.
Yeah. It smells spicy.
It smells spicy?
Yes, it's burning my nose. I think because that lavender oil you put in there.
The lavender?
Yeah, the lavender. My nose.
It smells good. The lavender doesn't smell good to you?
No, it smells. I was right. It smells spicy.
I'm breaking up all the clumps as I'm mixing it.
Satisfying.
Is it satisfying?
Can you hear it? Probably gonna take a little while.
I got down really down to the. This actually worked really good because you see how I did it like this all the way around and up.
I thought this was going to be toxic.
Hmm?
Thought this was going to be toxic.
You thought it was gonna be toxic?
No, because you use some wood and like.
Well, no, because I use because of the smell. See, you just smell it. So I didn't want to.
Wrong.
So this detox is supposed to detox your body of a lot of different things. Just move the whole table.
Sorry.
But I will. Let me see. So it tells you the water. You put 1/4 of a cup of this mixture into a foot bath. Hot water, as hot as you can stand it, and you sit there for 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
20 minutes. And the water will change colors, and the colors that it changes will tell you what's detoxing from your body.
So if it's red.
So like red It says like orange is detoxing for the joints. Red is like blood clot material. White cheese-like particles, mostly like yeast and stuff. So it tells you.
And green.
Green has all the colors. Detoxing for the gallbladder. So it has all the different colors. So what we're going to do is I am going to take and transfer this mixture into this glass jar I have here. And I am going to take 1/4 of a cup and put it in a foot bath. And I'm going to show you, let's see what detox is for my body. This is my first time doing this foot detox. So let's see what it shows after the 20 minutes.
I just woke up. This is kind of fun.
I just wanted to make sure it was thoroughly mixed.
Yum, 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 yum. Why you smack it?
Because I want to help it. I'm trying not to see I'm making a mess.
Why do you use chopsticks first?
In the first place?
Yeah.
I wasn't thinking.
You just like me.
Not thinking.
Yes. Well, I'm not at school.
There we go.
Gun. Your gun. Rock, paper,
Okay,
scissors,
we are all
everything.
set.
Okay.
Let's do the detox. Let's see what shows up. Let's see. You ready?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Now, in goes the feet. Remember, put the water as warm as you can stand it.
Okay.
Now we start 20 minutes.
Okay.
Few moments later.
Okay, so we waited 20 minutes and it was nothing. Then what, 30 minutes? Nothing.
Nothing.
So, I don't know if this is a fail. I believe this is a fail. What do you think?
Oh wait, I see a white particle. I see a white particle. Does not see a white particle?
I don't know.
Those white particles. Those are white particles.
I'm not exactly sure.
I think this
Wait.
is a win. Because I see white particles
But
coming
no,
up in there.
I don't really see anything.
Look over here. You see the white dot?
I don't know.
See? See? No, that's the...
So,
It's a win.
I'm not
see
sure.
white
This was just an
particle.
attempt to, I like to try new things. And so that was my attempt to try.
What?
Maybe I'll revisit it and see what maybe, if there was anything that I missed on
So
doing.
it could be a part 2.
Yeah, we'll revisit it and see what went on. But this was a
I-
detox. I don't know. Maybe try it and let me know in the comments if you had more success than
I think we did it backwards. Go pour the sea salt, then the other salt.
Well, that could be it. I'm not exactly sure. But thank you for watching. Even though the outcome wasn't what I thought it would be, it still was something that we tried, right?
Yes.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Or hit down below, ring that bell button, and hit the subscribe button.
Until next time, God bless.
Bye.